Welcome to another Nature's Glory Cabin off-road trail service announcement. We're covering Clifton Ridge Road. This was recorded on August the 7th, 2026. I believe it was completed the week before this. We're starting out here at the overhang, the cave, the waterfall, whatever you want to call it. We're going up here just a little bit further up the hill. This is a complete real-time all the way to the end of the trail, so you know where we're at. So we're going up here a little bit because the trail maintenance starts a little bit earlier than all of the major trail maintenance. We'll talk about that when we get there, because we get up here and coming up from the cave, just as we round the corner, is usually a rock right here that we have, a little rock shelf that we climb over. Well, as you can see, it's been filled in. That's okay, not a problem. I'd be surprised if it doesn't wash out in the future, because the grading of the loose dirt here could get wet, and we could get some ruts in here. So we're graded here. We don't have anything else but grading. Really was probably unnecessary, but I guess that's what the contract called for whoever did it. So they graded all the way down to that spot. Now we're going to go up here to the top of the hill, and we're working toward the area where we'd already had done a little work before, and we've already probably seen some video on it. So just doing full time here, so real time, so you can see where we're going, and you can see that the ground has been graded. We're reaching up to the point here pretty quickly where the deep rut was graded. Right here in front of us, we had a deep rut for a long time. As you can see, that's all graded out. It's still dirt right here, and we'll get down here to the bottom. There's this culvert that was falling in on the right side. Still got a little dip, but it's really covered real well now. Now we still have dirt here, loose dirt. It's a little muddy on this end, as you can see. This usually does get a little sloppy down here. We're going to go up here a little further. It's probably 100 feet, couple of 100 feet before the gravel starts. And we'll see it as we get up here. It starts a little thin, like again, we see both sides of the dirt, and the gravel starts here. Now from here on out, it's gravel till the end. Please try to stay on the gravel. Part of the problem with this is there was a lot of mud and dirt on the road, and there were some complaints to the county, so I guess this is why this maintenance was done. As you can see, there's still a few mud on the left, but there's a pretty good track here with lots of rock in it. We go down through here. Several things have been cleaned out. There was a drop-off on the right up here at one point, and there were some logs pretty close to the trail, and they've all been moved off the trail now. So from here on out, it's pretty easy, actually. Again, all the rocks and logs and all been cleared out, and everything before the water overhang back there, or cave, what do you want to call it, everything before that has been left the same. Nothing's been changed on that end of the trail. But as you can see, we're running pretty smooth through here. It takes about 5 minutes to drive this. It took us about 5 minutes to drive it, so we drove it straight through from the overhang right on out, and there were some rocks and there's a few logs and stuff off to the side here. Again, please try to stay on the gravel so that we don't haul a bunch of dirt out on the road and cause problems. Locals and all, I guess, were complaining, is what I'd heard. So we get right through here. This is where it was the worst, right at the end. It was really nasty and sloppy through here. Now anybody can get through. Anybody on even a stock four-wheel drive. All the way through this, you're going to need to be at least a stock four-wheel drive off-road. This end of it here is you can drive Mom's SUV on this. Well, I hope everybody's enjoyed this update. I try to keep these up to date and get them out as fast as I can when we have these updates to do, good or bad. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Appreciate everybody. Subscribe. Well, thanks, and thanks for watching.